Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Welcome back to Rolling Wheels. Today, we're redefining the open road. Meet the Tesla Semi 6x6 luxury motorhome, a masterclass in electric engineering and bespoke comfort. Clad in Arctic white with a command-level presence, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a private sanctuary designed for those who accept nothing but the absolute best. Let's dive into the details. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer craftsmanship of this exterior, from the seamless Arctic white finish to its ultra-aerodynamic silhouette. Every line is engineered for both performance and prestige. Notice the massive 6x6 stance. It's not just for off-road dominance, but for unparalleled stability on any terrain. This is where rugged capability meets futuristic elegance. Every detail, from the panoramic glass to the custom turbine-style wheels, screams sophistication. It's a bold statement on wheels, built for those who value absolute privacy and world-class design. But the true magic isn't just in how it looks from the outside. Beneath this aerodynamic shell lies a chassis built for the most demanding journeys, ensuring that no matter where you go, you travel in absolute silence and comfort. Whether you're navigating the rugged coastlines or crossing the vast American deserts, the Tesla Semi 6x6 remains unbothered, commanding the road with its electric soul. Now, it's time to step inside, because what awaits behind these tinted doors is a level of luxury you have to see to believe. Welcome to your 5-star suite on wheels. Step into the cockpit, where high-tech innovation meets absolute control. This isn't just a driver's seat, it's a command center designed for the modern explorer. Every touchpoint, from the hand-stitched leather seating to the minimalist digital dash, has been crafted for long-range comfort and effortless handling. Whether you're gripping the futuristic yoke or adjusting your panoramic view, the ergonomics here are second to none. It's quiet, it's powerful, and it puts the entire world right at your fingertips. This is what it feels like to truly own the road. Inside the cockpit of this 6x6 masterpiece, every detail has been stripped down to its most elegant form. You're surrounded by a seamless blend of charcoal textures and pristine white leather, creating a space that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. The dual-screen interface keeps every vital stat in clear view, while the center-mounted driving position gives you total dominance over the terrain ahead. It's minimalist, it's intuitive, and it's unapologetically elite. True luxury is found in the silence of the journey. Behind the wheel of the Tesla Semi 6x6, the world outside fades away, leaving you in a sanctuary of handcrafted comfort. Notice the precision in the diamond-stitched upholstery and the warmth of the integrated ambient lighting. There are no cluttered buttons here, only smooth surfaces and intelligent technology that anticipates your next move. Step back into a living space that defies the limits of a 6x6 chassis. This is your private sanctuary, where every square inch is optimized for a 5-star experience. Whether you're preparing a gourmet meal in the charcoal-finished galley or relaxing on the diamond-stitched white leather lounge, the craftsmanship is undeniable. It's a masterclass in space-saving luxury, featuring a hidden wet bath for ultimate privacy and an elevated sleeping loft designed for total restoration. From the walnut floors to the starlit panoramic roof, this isn't just a camper, it's a masterpiece that travels with you. Behind the cockpit lies a world of effortless elegance. The cabin of the Tesla Semi 6x6 is a seamless blend of high-end materials and intelligent design. Sink into the plush white leather, surrounded by soft ambient lighting and rich charcoal accents that set the mood for any journey. Every amenity is at your fingertips, from the integrated kitchenette to the discreetly placed wet bath. When the day ends, the intimate sleeping quarters offer a level of comfort you'd only expect from a luxury hotel. This is the art of living well, no matter how far off the grid you go. Every detail you see is a result of obsessive engineering. Notice how the ambient lighting catches the charcoal textures, creating an atmosphere that's as cozy as a mountain cabin, yet as sophisticated as a city penthouse. You're looking at a space that doesn't just store your things, but enhances your lifestyle. The integrated storage is seamless, keeping your sanctuary clutter-free while you navigate the great outdoors. But the real magic happens beneath that pristine white shell. Lifting the hood reveals the massive heart of this beast, a high-density Tesla battery bank engineered for extreme endurance and off-grid survival. It's the silent force that powers your entire world. From the kitchen to the climate control, without ever needing a drop of fuel. And when it's time to top up, the integration is seamless. Just a quick tap above the front tire, and the high-speed charging port is ready to go. It's not just efficient. It's the most advanced energy system ever put into a motorhome. As the sun sets, the Semi 6x6 takes on a whole new persona. With a single click of the remote, the entire ecosystem comes to life, illuminating the night with that signature blue glow. It's in these quiet moments, standing outside this white beast, that you realize this is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of absolute freedom and unrivaled luxury. Every light, every fold of the mirrors, and every silent seal of the door is a reminder that you're no longer just traveling. You're leading the way into a new era of exploration. The road is yours, and the night is just beginning. There's something hypnotic about seeing this machine under the stars. The way the blue LEDs catch the glossy white finish tells you everything you need to know about the future of travel. It's effortless, it's secure, and it's completely under your command. From the remote-operated entry to the powerful stanset takes in the dark, every detail has been refined to perfection. You aren't just looking at the world's most advanced motorhome, you're looking at the ultimate way to experience it. This is where the journey truly becomes yours.